shall we have a slice of cake? Homemade gluten-free cake. This is a gluten-free zone. In this kitchen, there are many things we don't eat. We don't eat anything that has gluten. We don't eat chicken. We don't eat tomatoes. And there is no gap anywhere. For whatever you don't eat, there is an alternative. If you don't eat chicken, find out if you can eat turkey or quail. If you don't eat tomatoes, find out other vegetables, red vegetables that you can blend and give you the tomatoes color. What again did I mention? We don't eat chicken, we don't eat gluten. Yes, for gluten, for your pastries and bakes, you have to experiment with different kinds of flour: oat flour, wheat flour, elubo, plantain elubo, yam elubo, even beans flour. There are some people who bake with lentils. In fact, the aquafaba, I think they call it aquafaba. The aquafaba pastry industry is huge. They don't bake with gluten flour, they use lentils, but you need to learn that. You can experiment with as many kinds of grains and seeds as you can lay your hands on, and eventually you get the right formula for your cake. So what you have here is gluten-free. This is not baked with gluten flour, with wheat flour. This was not baked with wheat flour. We have a mixture of two different kinds of flour to give us this result, and the cake is yummy. So yummy. These two slices are okay for now. I will have the rest wrapped in foil. Set this aside.